Reliance set new records in creating employment for Indians with the addition of 2.6 lakh jobs across all our businesses during the year. The total number of our on-roll employees is nearly 3.9 lakhs. The number of indirect livelihood opportunities we have created is many times larger. Today, I am delighted to announce that Jio Airfiber will launch on the auspicious occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi on 19th September, giving us another avenue for customer value and revenue growth in the untapped Indian home segment. The company has provided JFS with a strong capital foundation to build a best-in-class, trusted financial services enterprise and achieve rapid growth. Reliance has capitalized JFS with a net worth of rupees 1,20,000 crores to create one of the world's highest capitalized financial services platforms at inception. At least 100 gigawatt of renewable energy generation by 2030. Friends, our concurrent priority is to set up a battery gigafactory by 2026. Now it is the time for all of us in the business community to work together as a grand coalition to transform India into a fully developed nation by 2047, a prosperous India in which no Indian and no region will be left behind.